Hello YouTube, this is Mr. American Boy 1995, and today I'm bringing you a new unboxing of some new knives that I got in the mail. Not really in the mail, I had to pick it up in the post office. Yeah, this is probably the last unboxing for a little while. So let's get open into it. Basically, you know how opening a box looks. If I can open it. There it goes. I got this off of Blade HQ. It comes with this little letter just saying, let's see if I get this in frame. Thank you for ordering our things and stuff like that. And then it says like the warranty, any problems. And then it says return or exchange, and general return and exchanges. This is basically saying how how they thank you for buying from them and stuff like that. They're really they ship out really quickly. I think I bought this on a Sunday and a Friday, Thursday, and it came Monday. But I wasn't here to pick it up, so I had to go to the post office to pick it up. I'm not gonna be able to pull up this video for download it to YouTube in another week. So today is what is it today? January 6th. I'm not gonna be able to get this up till next Friday. So here's the two knives. They're both Bradley cutlery. Let's see if I can turn around so you guys can see the names. Excuse the phone. It's the Bradley Kimura 6 and the Bradley Kimura 2. Let's kind of unbox it right now. I hope I'm in frame. I think I am. Yep. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna come behind the camera. Alright. It's just standard thing. Come out the package. You know how these look. Am I zoomed in? No, I'm not. That's weird. It looks like this. It's a pretty cool knife. I like it. I opened this up in the car. It's pretty sharp too. Really sharp actually. I think it's sharper than my 42. Hold on, let me grab my 42. Let's see. Size comparison. It's pretty shorter, but my friend has a Bradley Kimura 3, and I like his a lot. This is basically like a mess around knife for me, since these are really cheaper. Not by kind of by a lot, but they're still really expensive, but not as expensive as a Benchmade. And then my other knife that I just received, and I'm really excited for. I think I'm one of the first people that are gonna have, probably like fourth person that's gonna have video up on this knife. Not this specific model, but just the new series that's coming out is this nice new handled. Let's see if I can get that in frame. Nice new handled Bradley Kimura 6. I just like that tanto blade shape. Some people might be asking, oh, it's really sharp too. Oh yeah. I was just watching Combinations video about him just cutting himself, and it looked pretty intense. I'm kind of afraid to flip one of these now without taping up the blade. But yeah, these are them side by side. The Bradley Kimura 6, the Bradley Kimura 2. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm about to go mess around and cut myself with these knives. My hands are gonna look outrageously crazy. Excuse for the shaking. These are all my. I'm gonna have a review on these two up soon. This is just my 42. You guys all seen one of these. Very typical. And my 51 right here. So here's my 4 high quality butterfly knives. I have 6, but these are my high quality ones. Alright guys, I'm gonna let you go because my battery's gonna die. Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna go have fun cutting my fingers. Alright, bye.